Achieve 100 plus marks in EACET. Achieving 100 plus marks in EACET, Engineering, Agriculture, and Pharmacy Common Entrance Test, requires a strategic approach, disciplined study, and thorough understanding of the subjects. Here's a comprehensive plan to help you reach your goal. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. Exam pattern. Get familiar with the exam pattern, including the number of questions, marking scheme, and time duration. Syllabus. Make a detailed list of the topics covered in physics, chemistry, and mathematics, for engineering, or biology, for agriculture and pharmacy. Create a study plan. Daily schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each subject daily. Weekly goals. Set achievable goals for each week, focusing on completing topics and revising them regularly. Focus on basics and concepts. Conceptual clarity. Ensure you have a strong grasp of the fundamental concepts in each subject. This will help in solving complex problems. Insert books. Start with insert textbooks as they cover the basics thoroughly. Practice regularly. Previous year papers. Solve previous year's question papers to get an idea of the exam pattern and difficulty level. Mock tests. Take regular mock tests to assess your preparation and improve your time management skills. Practice questions. Solve as many practice questions as possible from various sources. Time management. Timed practice. Practice solving questions within a set time limit to improve speed and accuracy. Focus more on high-weightage topics but don't neglect any topic entirely. Revise consistently. Short notes. Make short notes or flashcards for quick revision of important formulas and concepts. Regular revision. Revise the topics regularly to retain the information better. Strengthen weak areas. Identify weak areas. Focus on identifying and improving your weak areas. Seek help. Don't hesitate to ask teachers or peers for help in understanding difficult topics. Maintain good health. Healthy routine. Ensure you have a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Stress management. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation to manage stress. Join coaching or online classes. Professional guidance. If possible, join a coaching institute or online classes for structured guidance and expert tips. Stay motivated. Stay positive. Keep a positive mindset and believe in your ability to achieve your goal. Regular breaks. Take regular breaks to avoid burnout and keep your mind fresh. Books. Standard textbooks like Insert, reference books by authors like H.C. Varma for physics, O.P. Tandon for chemistry, and R.D. Sharma for mathematics, online resources, websites like Khan Academy, YouTube channels, and online test series. By following this comprehensive plan with dedication and perseverance, you can significantly increase your chances of scoring 100 marks in EACET. Good luck! Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Thank you for watching. Comment your doubts.